Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Wallifyer.com and whimsydreamsclipart.com. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you create a fancy looking, super adorable drop shadow effect to your text elements. Unfortunately, Canva doesn't have this drop shadow effect yet. I hope it will include this because it's super useful for any designers out there. So I'm holding my thumbs here that Canva hears me. But anyway, if you like this tutorial and you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming tutorials, and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps. Anyway, let's start here. To create a drop shadow, of course you need some text to start off with, and let's say here we have to see this one, so I pump it up a little bit like this. So strange, my font that I use. Always have to change the letter space. Let's see here. And let's start out with this. Now say I want to add a drop shadow to my text, which is a kind of effect where you think the letters are standing out from the background. You will see what I mean in just 1 second if you aren't sure what I mean. So you go here and activate this text block and duplicate, and you change the duplicated text to the drop shadow text, which is great to have some kind of I think at least gray or black. And now you send this lovely one to the back like this, and you can nudge the text a little bit so it looks lovely. And you can also mute it a little bit. Let's see here that I got the right text here. You can also make the transparency go down by using this transparency tool here. You find it up in the right in the menu section, and then just move this one back like this. And voila, now you have a drop shadow effect using Canva. It's quite simple to do, but it's steps you have to perform to do this, and I really hope that Canva in the future make this a little bit faster for us, okay? But anyway, if you like Canva and want to learn more about Canva and how to craft with Canva and create marketing pictures and do effects like this, you can head over to my Facebook group as well. You find a link in the description below. I love to see you there. So thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.